Hello everybody. I will try to make this video by showing you a small tutorial how to get started with Crypto-PHP and also how to configure it to use Crypto Quality Signals Premium signals as well as free signals. So it's a pretty simple process. Okay, I will start by showing you the ordering process. So you should go to cryptophp.com and there you click in the order. They have only one plan for now. It costs $12 per month. It allows you to have one bot in one exchange. Okay. So I will choose this plan. After doing that, I will see the order form. It's a very simple form. I will just put my email here. I will use email created just for this demonstration. So I will put the trial at mrnauta.com. The exchange, I will choose Binance. Duration 1 month, and I will pay with Bitcoin. Okay. So I will fill the CAPTCHA and press next. So now I have to pay. So I just need to put my transaction hash here. It's very important that you send the exactly amount shown here to the address. Okay. So if you are, for example, withdrawing from your exchange, which I personally don't recommend because exchanges charge high taxes, high fees for withdrawals. But anyway, if you are going to withdraw from your exchange, normally the exchange will subtract the fee from the amount you are withdrawing. So you should add the fee to the amount you are withdrawing, so Crypto-PHP will receive the right amount. Otherwise, they may not confirm your payment, and you may have a problem. Okay, so just make sure that at the end this is the exactly valid transfer to Crypto-PHP. Okay, after you do your Bitcoin or Bitcoin Cash transaction, just put your transaction ID here. Confirm that you have sent the payment and click confirm. Okay, I will put my transaction hash here, but it will not be shown on your video. So I just pause the video, do that, and click confirm. Okay, after that I will receive a confirmation, something like this with my invoice number. Okay, thank you for my order, and I have a confirmation that they receive my record. It doesn't mean they received the payment. It may take some time depending on the currency you're chosen and the blockchain process. Okay. Also, I have a warning below the response telling me that I will receive a copy in my email shortly, and as soon as my payment is confirmed, maximum 12 hours, I will receive my login by email. Okay, so it may take some time. Don't expect to use your bot at the same time. Okay, in my experience, it may take some hours, so that's okay. I will pause the video and resume as soon as I get my login ID, okay, by email. Hello guys, I'm back, and I have received the email with my login and password, and also the URL for my bot. Crypto-PHP uses VPS system, so each bot runs on its own VPS, so it's completely separated from the other bots. It will guarantee that you have the best performance possible. And also each bot will have a subdomain and SSL certificate, so you are secure and independent. It's very nice. So after putting here your username and password that you receive in your email, you will make your login and you get access to your boat. Okay, so right now I am already logged into my boat, but my boat is not running. It's stopped. Okay, and also it's not configured yet. So there is no balance, there is nothing here. So we need to set the boat so it can trade for us. Okay, I will start to do that right now. Uh, we can start by the configuration or by the signals, because here we can set up our license for our premium signals, or we can use our free signals. So if you go to the signals here and crypto quality signals, I'm pretty sure the mining hamster is a little similar. Okay, so here you can enable the free license. It's very easy. Just click here and your free license will be enabled. So now I am already able to use crypto quality signals, free signals in my boat. If I want to enable my premium license, I need to put here my key and click enable premium license. Okay, I will do that, but I want to reveal my key, so I will pause the video, put the key and click enable, and I'll be right back. Okay, here I am. And now I have enabled my premium license, so I can use the free signals and also the premium signals, but not at the same time. Okay, I will have to choose when I enable in my configuration. I can do that right now to show you. So I will go to my config. So here I have my boat mode. Okay, this boat can operate in default mode, which is it will buy from your coin list and sell them using your percentage profit that you want and stop losses and stuff. Or you can use the signal mode. So I'm changing for signal mode right now. Good. So now I have to choose my signal maker. That can be mining hamster or crypto quality signals. I will choose crypto quality signals. So I just click send. Sorry, but I'm from Brazil, so my browser is in Portuguese. And now that I have chosen the signal mode, I can choose here between free signals or premium signals, because I have enabled the premium signals license. And also, independent of the type of the signal, I can choose the term. So let's suppose that I want only short-term signals. So I can choose short-term here. And Crypto-PHP will only buy from signals if the signal is a short-term signal. Okay, in bearish market, is short-term signals should work better than the other ones. Okay, so it's a great feature that you can choose only short-term signals. Okay, here you can place the order with signal price. Okay, the signal brings the ask price information, or you can allow the bot to place at the current price, no problem. And also you can choose to ignore the signal price if there is a big difference with the ask price. Okay, I can choose to either enable any of the options or not. And I can choose to sell in the first, second, or third target for the signal. So since we are on the bearish market, I will choose the first target, and also I will enable the automatic mode. Okay, this is necessary to enable the signal. So now I just click send, and my signal will be enabled. Okay, but my bot is not enabled yet, so I cannot see it here. Okay, but I have already configured my signal. If I go to home again, I can see here the crypto quality signal is enabled, but my bot is offline. So let's see what I need to do to put my bot online. Okay, here in configuration, I need to put my API key in my API secret for my exchange. Okay, I don't know if you remember, but when we ordered the boat, we choose Binance. So if you decide later to use the boat in another exchange, it's possible, but you cannot do that change here. You need to ask for Crypto-PHP support to change your boat to another exchange, and actually it will reset your boat to the default settings. So we need to reconfigure everything. Okay, but I will just explain the configuration fields as far as I can because I'm not expert in this product, at least yet. Anyway, after putting your API key and API secret, you can choose the interface language between English, Dutch, and French. Uh, I don't understand anything but English and Portuguese, so English is good for me. You can choose with fiduciary money you prefer to use between USD and Euro. Okay, here you can put how much BTC you have on your exchange. This information will be used for statistics only, okay? So Crypto-PHP can calculate how much you grow your BTC over time. So it's a good idea to put the right amount here. It is not associated with the amount that will be used for orders, okay? So as long as your BTC is growing, it will be used to orders as well. You can also put how much is your fund, how much your funds represent in your fiat currency. So, okay, in this case USD. Okay, so it will also calculate how much money you are growing, not only BTC. Okay, you can adjust your time zone. I will do that because I am on America, São Paulo. So Crypto-PHP will be able to show the timestamps and stuff in my time zone. It's good for me. Okay. After changing this session, I need to click update. I will not put my API key right now, but I will put that before showing you the boat running. Okay, now I have the ordering configurations. Okay, so I can choose how many open orders I want to have at the same time. The default is 20, but you can have more or less. It's up to you. You can choose how much percentage profit you want. Let's suppose I just want 1% profit, or I want 1.1, for example, for Binance, so it covers Binance fees. Okay, how much money I want to put in each order? Okay, I can use USD or BTC. So if I'm going to use BTC, I can put the minimum here. The minimum, it should be the minimum acceptable by your exchange. Okay, they suggest for Binance this value. It's a good configuration, so I will respect that. Okay, actually Binance uses 0.01 as the minimum, but it's a good idea to put a little more. This way, if your order goes under its original value because it's the price went down and you want to sell on stop loss, you won't have a problem. So I think you should at least add your stop loss here. And maximum, so how much money you want to put at most per order. Let's suppose I want to put at most 0.02. Okay, I can choose to use whitelist. That means I will only buy coins from my whitelist here. Okay, or not, they can buy any coin. It has a feature named Cagnote. Cagnote is it's an interesting feature because after selling your orders, you can ask for a specific percentage of your profits of your order actually to be stored and not use it for new orders. So you will keep it, you save some money over time that you may use for manual orders or I don't know, Normally I don't use that feature, but if you want to use, just leave some percentage here. So I just put 0 because I don't want to use. And here you have some loss control. So loss control, if you disable the bot, let's suppose the market is not good and you want to disable the bot, but the price may still go down. So if you want, Crypto-PHP can automatically sell your positions if it reaches some loss level. Let's suppose I don't want to have any position more than 30% down. So I can enable this option and put 30% here, or maybe 20%. Okay, it's like an additional stop loss. Okay, and here I can have maximum time to wait for an order to be filled. Let's put in 5 minutes. Okay, and now I can update here. So this session is updated. Okay. Also, I can automatically stop my bot when Bitcoin price variation reaches a given percentage in a given period. Okay. I can choose for 24 hours or 1 hour. So let's suppose I want to stop the bot if BTC goes over 0.5% in 1 hour. No problem, I can do that, and the bot will automatically stop it whenever BTC goes that much up or down in 1 hour. Okay. On this side of the configuration, I have the advanced configuration. I can reset statistics status for a specific coin. Also, I can specify that I don't want the same coin to be traded again unless it have passed a given number of days or hours. Okay. But I can enable this option to buy the same coin only if price is smaller than the last trade. So if I want to enjoy the dip, I can leave this option enabled. Here I have whitelist. Okay. So I can put some coins here to add to my whitelist. Let's suppose I like to work with ZRX. So I added ZRX. I also like to use EOS. So I can build my whitelist here. And also I can remove a coin from the whitelist, just put in its name here and remove. Or I can remove all to clear my whitelist. The same way I can have a blacklist. So let's suppose I don't want to work with ADA, Ethereum, Ripple. Okay, it's just preferences. And I have some logs here that will be shown whenever I'm working with the bot. And that's it. Right now, if I have put my API keys here, the bot would already be able to work. I will do that in a second and get back to you. Okay, I have placed my API keys here. So I am ready to start my bot. So let's get started. So now my bot is online, but it's showing that my signal is disabled. Let me see why. Oh, the automatic was turned off, so I turn it on again. Okay, so now I have my bot running with signals enabled. I don't have any orders yet, but I can see that the API is working because it got my balance here. So I can now I can get my BTC balance and put in my configuration. So Crypto-PHP will be able to properly monitor my growth. Okay. Good. So now, as soon as a signal comes in, let me change again to premium signal short term the way I want. Yeah. Okay. So as soon as a signal comes in, it should buy. So let's wait for the next signal and see if it works, okay? I will pause the video again. After the next signal is issued, I will come back here and finish this video for you. Okay, we are back. I can see here in the configuration that there was a signal from CQS Premium to buy NAV, right? It was received by Crypto-PHP and it was bought. That's because it was a short-term signal and it matched our settings. And going home here, I can see that NAV was bought, the quantity, the amount of BTC and USD corresponding to that position, the rate it was bought, and date and time. And now Crypto-PHP will manage to sell this position based on our settings. So it will put a sell order on the first target for the signal. I can see here in this report that the first target should be 12,140. So we should expect to see here an open order soon at that price. And that's how the bot works. Okay, it's a simple bot, but it's very effective. And with the settings to sell on target and to choose term and supporting free and premium signals, it makes Crypto-PHP one of the best bots to work with signals. Okay, I will just wait for the sell order to be placed so I can show you the options you have to work with the sell orders. So I would just pause the video again for a while and then I'll get back to finish this video, okay? Sorry that it's a little longer than usual. Okay, I'm back to finish the video. So so far I had two orders, one from NAV, one for EOS. EOS is still open, so it's showing here on profit 1.14%. It's configured to sell on the first target for the signal, so I can wait until it's sold there. But let's suppose the market is going down and I'm not sure the coin will reach the price. Okay, I can manually sell. Just click it here, and it will allow me to cancel the sell order, or cancel order and sell, which means it will cancel the sell order and perform the selling on the current price. Okay, which is also on profit. Okay, of course I can I can continue to wait because I think EOS is going up today. Anyway, this is the basis. Of course, you can explore the software a little bit. There is more documentation in the Crypto-PHP website. If you don't like the pink colors here, you can change your background colors for a darker or lighter color. Okay. That's it. Okay, I hope this video may help someone get started, and if possible, give me some feedback. Thanks for watching. Sorry for the video too long. Take care. Bye bye.